Welcome to Manya Mayra Kids TV. Let's play to learn.
I am an apple, juicy and sweet, a crunchy, tasty, wonderful treat. Sometimes red and sometimes green, sometimes even yellow ones are seen. Apple pie or apple crumble, to eat and stop a tummy rumble. Apple sauce to go with pork, eat it with a knife and fork. Just eat one apple a day, I will keep the doctor away. I am healthy for you to munch, so remember to take me for your lunch. I am an orange, so juicy and sweet, orange in color and lovely to eat. My peel is rough to touch, you will enjoy me very much. My juice is healthy and tastes so good, so drink it down, you know you should. I can be used to make orange pie, very tasty, you just have to try. I am packed full of vitamin C, so eat me up and enjoy me. Add me to a salad for a tasty treat. My flavor will make it so sweet. I am a strawberry, juicy and red, with the green stem sitting on my head. I am so tasty and sweet, always a pleasure to eat. Spread some strawberry jam on toast, or try some strawberry cheesecake, whichever you like most. Strawberry jelly or strawberry flan, use my fruit however you can. I'm a mango, a juicy fruit with a stone. Upon a mango tree I am grown. The trees can grow very tall, but they can also be very small. I am normally yellow and sweet, soft and very tasty to eat. I can be made into a shake, a healthy drink this does make. I can be made into a juice or ice cream, both are tasty and as sweet as a dream. I can be added to a salad in a slice, or I'm tasty eaten in curry with spice. I am a blackberry, sweet and black, I make a tasty, juicy snack. When I'm not ready, I am red. So have a black one instead. I can be baked in a pie. With apple I am tasty, have a try. In cheesecake and crumble too, there are many things that I can do. Blackberry juice is always nice, served in a tall glass with some ice. On a bush is where I like to grow. In the summer my fruit will show.
Have you seen a fig fruit hanging on a tree? Have you tried a fig yet? They look good to me. With a teardrop shape and an outer layer of skin, they have bright and very juicy fruity stuff within. You can eat them fresh or you can eat them when they're dried. You can bake them in a cake. Have you ever tried? With a teardrop shape and an outer layer of skin, they have bright and very juicy fruity stuff within. Have you tried a fig roll or dried figs in a pie? Fresh in a fruit salad is surely worth a try. However you eat them, you can know it's true that figs and any kind of fruits are very good for you. Grapefruit yellow, grapefruit orange, there are different kinds. They are fruits, but they're not grapes, a name to boggle our minds. Grapefruit orange, grapefruit yellow, white or red inside. Like an orange, but not mellow. Have you ever tried? Grapefruit big, grapefruit round, so much vitamin C. Eat the fruit or drink the juice, it's good for you and me. Tropical fruit, the guava is green, but yellow or pink can also be seen. Soft when it's ripe and oval or round, enjoyed by so many people around. Tropical fruit, the guava is good, used in both sweet and savory food. Eat in a salad, eat in a curry, or as it is when you're in a hurry. Tropical fruit, the guava is green, but yellow or pink can also be seen. Soft when it's ripe, oval or round, enjoyed by so many all the world round. Their skin is greenish brown and hairy. They're a type of hairy berry. As much as that might sound quite scary, kiwi fruits are yummy. They hang in clusters from their vine. Inside they are a shade of vine. The soft black seeds are also fine. Scoop it out, it's yummy. Eat them when they're fresh and raw. Super tasty fruit for sure. A healthy snack on which to gnaw. Oh, kiwis are so yummy. Green lime, little green lime, it grew upon a lime tree. Now it's ripe, the little green type, squeeze into my recipe. Green lime, little green lime, what a lemon-shaped treat. But this taste in a key lime pie is unique and so hard to beat. Green lime, little green lime, it's a bit bitter to bite. But in a juice, I do really think it's time for some lime. All right. Papayas are tropical, exotic, and edible. Grown somewhere sunny, high up in a tall tree. Orangey or green like a pear it may seem. Take away the skin and find the seeds within. Inside it is orangey, oh so sweet and tasty. Eat it as it is, or put it in a salad dish. Papaya is good in many types of food and as healthy as a fruit can be. Orange or green, like a pear it may seem. Take away the skin and find the seeds within. Inside is orange and as sweet as can be. Oh, papaya, everyone should have more. The peach is hanging in the tree, so juicy and inviting. The thought of giving it a try, so yummy and exciting. Peachy, 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 peach. A peach pit sits inside it. The peach feels fuzzy in my hand. The skin is red and yellow. You'll have to try to understand. This tastes so sweet and mellow. Peachy, 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 peach. Peachy, 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 peach. Inside is golden yellow. The hard brown center is a pit. It's sometimes called a stone. If you plant it in the ground, a peach tree may be grown. Peachy, 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 peach. Peachy, 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 peach. I might just grow my own. Some pears upon my tree, upon my tree, upon my tree. When they are ready, I'll pick a few, and I'll eat them. I'll ripen them till they go sweet, till they go sweet, till they go sweet. I'll ripen them till they are sweet, till they're sweet, and I'll eat them. I slice the pear, it's white inside, it's light inside, it's bright inside. I slice my pear, it's green outside with tiny seeds in the middle. Pears are good just as they are, or in a flan, or in a jar. I love my pears just as they are. I eat around the middle. Sweet and things that taste of pears are sold at fairs, are sold at fairs. We just don't need such sweets and things, 'cause real pears are just dandy. Pears are good just as they are, or in a flan, or in a jar. I love pears just as they are. Why would I rather have candy? How I do love raspberries, hiding in the leaves like rubies. Sweet and red and tasty berries, they're my very favorite fruit. Raspberries are picked and eaten from the bush, no need to sweeten. For dessert they can't be beaten, they're my very favorite fruit. Raspberries in cakes and pies, raspberries, why don't you try? Raspberries, they are my very, very favorite fruit. Have you seen a plum? Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Come and have a look. They grow on plum trees. Come and have a look. They're purple and round. Have you tried one? Give a plum a try. Give a plum a try. Give a plum a try. There's a stone inside. Give the plum a try. It should be in the center. Sweet and juicy, eaten as they are, cooked inside a pie, jammed into a jar. Sweet and juicy, eaten as they are, but don't forget that plum stone.